Welcome to Be Free Driving School, episode 1 of our vlog. And this episode is called Finding a Great Driving Instructor. My name is Wendy Barker. And on this vlog, we're going to be giving you 3 useful tips to help you find a great driving instructor. So let's tuck right in. Tip number 1 is referrals. Everybody has friends and family that has learnt to drive. That's an excellent first place to start. If you ask somebody that you know that has passed their test with an instructor for their instructor's detail, I'm sure they'll be only too happy to pass them over. And that's, as I say, that is a really good first place to start looking for a driving instructor. Tip 2, I would recommend having a trial lesson. So once you've found an instructor, rather than paying out for 20 hours with somebody that you've never met, this is just my personal suggestion, how about doing a trial lesson? So if they do 2 hours, just do 2 hours. Or if they do 5 hours, just do 5 hours. See how you click with your instructor, because everybody's different. You want somebody that can teach you in a way that you like to be taught in and that you feel comfortable with. I can't imagine anything worse than having paid out for 20 or 30 hours and on lesson 1 you realise I'm not feeling very comfortable with this person and having to do 30 hours with somebody that you don't feel comfortable with. So that's tip number 2. Tip number 3, check the badge. So as you can see, there's 2 badges here. The green one is a fully qualified driving instructor and the pink one is a licensed trainee instructor. Now, you've got to make sure that these are valid. The only people who are legally allowed to charge you for lessons are part qualified trainee instructors or fully qualified instructors. So if someone's charging you and they don't have this badge, I wouldn't be giving them my money. If we have a little look closer, the badge should be displayed in your driving instructor's window. It's normally on the left-hand side at the bottom. Let's have a closer look at it. So as you can see, at the top is the person's name. Underneath is the ADI number. So that's their registration number. And the next thing, which is really important, is the expiry date. Any professional driving instructor will be more than happy to show you their ADI badge should you ask to see it. So those are top 3 tips for finding a great driving instructor. Hope you found this helpful. If you're watching this on the YouTube channel, please subscribe. We also have a free PDF download which has got these 3 tips in plus 3 other tips in. So I really would recommend that you click down below in the description for the download. See you next time. Bye bye.